Thank you all. Thank you all. Today I will introduce the hardware. I will introduce a hardware based on the Lightning Network. But first of all, I will introduce myself. My family name is Hu. What can you see from my family name? Yes, I'm Asia. No, I'm Asia. So my Mandarin, my native language is Mandarin. I cannot speak English very well. So for your understanding, I will put my hand and shake my foot to present what I say. Okay, let's introduce my device. First of all, I will say the Bitcoin. As we all know, Bitcoin was designed for the payment, for the problem of the decentralized payment. However, due to the TPS of the Bitcoin network and the high transaction fee, we cannot take the frequent transactions on the main network. 2017, Christian Decker made the complete Lightning payment on a non-test network. Today, the Lightning network has a total of 70,000 nodes and 49,000 channels, and the capacity of 5,100 BTCs. Okay. But it is not popular today. Why? I will say the reason in the next page, okay? And with the emergence of BTC Layer 2, such as Nervous and many other protocols combined with Lightning Network in the future, the BTC can solve the global payment problem more secure and more convenient than the Visa and MasterCard. Now let's see the situation of Visa and MasterCard. The transactions through Visa exceeded 12 trillion US dollars, and the amount of MasterCard was about 2 trillion US dollars. But crypto payments, what? How much? A little small. On the contrary, the market is very large as Visa and MasterCard. Now, I will say the reason why the Lightning Network is difficult to popularize. The first of all is the difficult to set up network. For ordinary people, you have no coding ability, you have no hardware assemblability. You can never set up a Lightning Network. And second is nodes must be always online. If you are paying and the counterpart node is offline, the payment will be failure. And third is difficult to promote. I into the industry for 7 or 8 years. I don't understand what is Bitcoin is at first. For ordinary people, it's difficult to know what the Lightning Network is. It's too abstract, okay? Like 10 years ago, when someone said to you, what virtual reality technology is? What the hell it is? Now, you put on your VR headset, you can know what it is and what the feel it is, right? Now what we need to do is to just show our customer a device that has everything in it. Just like the VR headset. They only need to open the PC and use it and operate the interface. Now this is the device we will show to the customer. We call it Fi5box. The first two letters means fiber, and the number 5 means Wi-Fi. You can use Wi-Fi to run your own BTC node and CKB fiber node, and use the Lightning Network more convenient and independently. When you use it, your transactions are verified by your own local node. You don't need to trust any third parties. Of course, you can also earn a small amount of money of routing fee. Okay. We now offer two versions. The standard one, we can run BTC and the CKB line node. And the Pro one, we can run the BTC and CKB4 node and the BTC and CKB Lightning Network. We also can in addition, we can also install other applications such as brands and wallets. By the way, Fi5box is currently the first hardware device to go online with the network. This is the operating system of Fi5box. It's very easy to use, just like Windows. What you see is what you get, and no command line, no Linux experience. The device has many advantages. The first is easy to use. It supports one-click installation and upgrade, and it makes easier to customer to accept. The first of all is the combination of software and hardware. It makes more suitable for offline application scenarios. And the third one is scalability. It can be physically expanded like a little cell. And we also provide customized exclusion solutions. If you want any shape or any logo, we can customize. If you are Lightning Network or Fiber Network enthusiastic, or you are the application development party, contact us. And in a word, my family name is Hu. If you want anything, you want to set up a fiber network or Lightning Network, who cares? Thank you.